Experience classic elegance at Hotel Libertel Gare de l'Est Francais. Step into a world of timeless charm and sophistication at Hotel Libertel Gare de l'Est Francais, a three-star hotel nestled in the heart of Paris, France. With its rich history dating back to 1885 and a recent renovation in 2012, this hotel seamlessly blends old-world allure with modern comforts, offering a truly memorable stay. Boasting 70 well-appointed rooms, Hotel Libertel Gare de l'Est Francais provides a tranquil retreat for both business and leisure travelers. Each room is tastefully decorated with a touch of Parisian flair, creating a cozy and inviting ambience. Whether you choose a standard room or a suite, you can expect a comfortable stay with all the essential amenities to ensure your utmost comfort. Conveniently located just a short 40-minute drive from the airport, Hotel Libertel Gare de l'Est Francais offers easy access to all that Paris has to offer. Situated at a distance of 0.0 kilometers from the city center, you'll find yourself within walking distance of iconic landmarks, world-class shopping, and vibrant dining options. The hotel's prime location allows you to immerse yourself in the enchanting atmosphere of the City of Lights. Check-in at Hotel Libertel Gare de l'Est Francais begins from 2 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and start exploring the city. The checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving you a leisurely morning to enjoy a delicious breakfast or prepare for your onward journey. Please note that this hotel does not allow children to stay free of charge, and there may be extra charges for their accommodation. However, one pet is welcome per room, ensuring that even your furry friend can join you on your Parisian adventure.